Hey Jim, it's Chase from the ACLU.
Hey Chase, how you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm so happy to talk to you. We're coming up on the 4-year anniversary of the Supreme Court's decision in your case striking down marriage bans across the country, as well as the 50th anniversary of Stonewall. And here we are getting ready to file briefs on behalf of LGBTQ plaintiffs in another huge set of cases that is really going to determine the scope of federal legal protections for LGBTQ people across the country. And I just want to hear from you. How are you feeling about where we are, where we've come from, and what's next?
I'm still just thrilled and overjoyed with the progress we have made for the LGBTQ community over the past many decades. We don't suddenly just arrive somewhere. We got there because of the courage and the strength of the people who came before us. If it weren't for everyone at Stonewall Inn saying enough is enough, we likely wouldn't even have marriage equality. So, say point blank, we deserve nothing more, nothing less than any other couple in this nation. I'm happy about that and proud of where we've come, but I'm really getting nervous about what the future holds with the changes in our courts across the nation and with all of these attempts to continue to deny us the chance to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness on an equal basis with everyone else.
Yeah, I feel like it's both a time of reflection in such a positive way, and yet it's hard to not be confronted with how much violence still remains against Black trans women, for example, and the risk that all of our legal protections could be compromised by the Supreme Court. And now, again, we're before the court telling the story of members of our community who were fired just because of who they are, because they're trans, because they're gay, and they represent so many LGBTQ people who face discrimination just because of who they are. And so I'm channeling all of the lessons of your fight. And as exhausting as it is, it's such a gift to be able to be a part of these fights.
I can imagine. I feel much the same, just from a different perspective.